Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install student license in Autodesk AutoCAD software. First of all, we have to go into the main website of Autodesk, autodesk.com, in which you have to find the student license softwares. They will be found under downloads, and you can see free student softwares. In this page you can see free softwares here, and you can download any of these softwares by using student license. And moreover, if you go down, you can see a lot of softwares here. You can get all of them by using student license from Autodesk. So we need here AutoCAD license. Here you have two options. Either you can create new account if you do not have account in Autodesk, or you can go and sign in into your already existing account in Autodesk. So if you do not have your account in Autodesk, you can go and create new account. For that you need to give some information like your country, your student, your education role, your institution, and your date of birth. And all of these you have to give, and after that you can save it. You can save it and you can go further. By saving it, you can give your name, email, and so on. After that, one confirmation link will come in your email, and you have to confirm your email. And if you have already existing account, you can sign in from here also. So in my case, I can sign in. I have my already existing account. So here we go. You can give password also. So here I have created that account, and now it will ask me for the version which I'm going to install. So after selecting those conditions, you can have the serial number and product key on your screen, and you can get email of these informations also by Autodesk. And if you will go down, you can install it. Either in my case, I have already installed it. I am going to fill these conditions there in AutoCAD 2021. You need to check your system requirements here for your AutoCAD. In my case, I selected AutoCAD 2021. So I need to check the system requirements of AutoCAD 2021. So here we go on this page. So system requirements are here. So you need to check it. According to your system requirements, you need to download your software. Otherwise, it will not work in your system. So be sure about it. Check it properly and then judge your system accordingly. I will go directly there. We need to agree, and here you need to activate it on this pop-up. If you are online, it will detect your license. Okay, it has been automatically updated. Okay, after that you will get the student license, student version on the top of your screen. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give us your feedback and subscribe our channel.